Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we are going to make frozen French fries in the air fryer. I have a video on how to cook just general frozen food in your air fryer, but I get a lot of questions about specifically how to do frozen French fries, so I thought I'd put together a video to show you exactly how I do it. When you're making frozen fries in the air fryer, it's very important that you adhere to two simple do's and don'ts. Let's start with the do. You do want to shake. Shaking your air fryer is critical pretty much anytime you're cooking anything. When you shake, what you're doing is moving the food that's in the outside of the basket to the middle, and from the middle to the outside. An air fryer works by using hot circulating air to cook your food, and so shaking allows that hot air to blast everything pretty much evenly. That'll give you the most even, crispy results. The important don't to keep in mind is don't overfill your basket. Usually with an air fryer basket, if it doesn't have a fill mark on it, you won't want to fill it more than halfway. Filling it more than halfway is going to impede that hot air from circulating properly, and you just won't get evenly cooked food, even if you shake it a lot. That's actually why I recommend when you're cooking a little bit more food in your air fryer that you shake more often. Less food will have more surface area exposed to the hot air even without shaking, so the more food you have in there, the more often you'll want to shake. All right, y'all, let's make some French fries. So we'll start by pouring our fries right into the air fryer basket. And these are frozen crinkle cut fries, but this same method will work with waffle fries, steak fries, traditional cut French fries, pretty much anything. We could just put these right into the air fryer and start cooking, but I thought it would be fun to do like a seasoned fry. You can use the seasonings that I'm gonna use, or if you want, you can choose your own seasoning adventure. Italian seasoning would work great in this. You could do seasoned salt for sort of a traditional seasoned fry. I'm gonna do a chili garlic fry, so I'm gonna start with some garlic powder. And not even measuring here, just gonna sprinkle it right on. Ooh. These are gonna be real garlicky. And then some chili powder. And this chili powder doesn't have a shaky top. Maybe I'll do this so I can get it nice and even. That's good. So now it's time to put the basket into the air fryer and get cooking. Oop, it's not plugged in. Once you have the air fryer basket in and your air fryer is actually plugged into the wall, it's time to get cooking. So we're gonna set this to 400 for 10 minutes. And because it's not a ton of fries that I'm making, I'm just gonna shake it once after 5 minutes. If you're doing more, like if I had done the whole bag of fries, probably I would do maybe 2 shakes, maybe even 3. I'd rather shake an extra time and have evenly cooked fries than skip the shake and have some fries in the middle that are mushy or undercooked. All right, so let's set the time and temp. And that's it. I'll see you in 10 minutes so we can find out how these air fryer French fries turned out.
And cooking time is up. Let's see how those fries turned out. Oop, I made a big mess, didn't I? And that's it, everything that you need to know to make perfect air fryer French fries. I hope that this video has answered all of the questions you have about making French fries in your air fryer. If you do have a question that this video didn't address, feel free to drop it in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!